I tell you, they say gully come over. Mm. You young go think I front one. Good day. Boy, rain. Hey, you think I'm here sleep? You know me I tell you morning. You know hear me I tell you morning. Check on me you sleep.
I know we make it gully come over.
I don't make it gully come over. No sir.
Huh? Yeah, man.
What it down there so get it you know. What kind of fun did if you go in? Yeah, so it's up also. Roll over. Oh, you just see all the big wall that tear down. Sure. The road cover, you can't even see the road. Mm. So what you go all about? Yeah? So imagine all done this so don't let us get in man. Now all Paradise Street suppose if you get this water here right now. Eh? The blood clot Millie down there no girl at the right time, you know? At the right time we get all 2 milli man. Remember if you know wash way. Me nah no credit. You know sir. Nobody cannot cross it. All the woman the other over there so flood you know? I wonder if the people them really look how water the place. See all the road, the water cover. See there? The road. You mean? So you see water come from so you know that you get the water. You get it. And if funny gully see you man. Hmm? See all the man over there so one cross it and can't cross it. Hmm? You not ready man? Walk there, walk and a look in. Anything they might do I have some. You ready? Can show what all them matches. They know so I say bad man. Hmm? People them matches all throw out the ground. No sir.